Hello guys, let's talk about a new buzz in AI, artificial intelligence domain, and OpenAI's GPT-3 or simply Generative Pretrained Transformer. What is GPT-3 or what is it? Simply, literally insane for some developers. Don't worry, watch the complete video to know everything about GPT-3. The third generation of OpenAI's generative pre-trained model is a general purpose language algorithm that uses machine learning to translate text, answer questions, and predictively write text. It analyzes a sequence of words, text, and other data, then elaborates on those examples to produce entirely original output in the form of an article or an image. Now let's talk about some stats here. The previous OpenAI GPT-3 model had 1.5 billion parameters and was the biggest model back then, which was soon overshadowed by NVIDIA's Megatron with 8 billion parameters, followed by Microsoft Energy that had 17 billion parameters. Now, OpenAI came up with bang by releasing a model that is 10x larger than NLG. Currently, NLP systems still largely struggle to learn from few examples. With GPT-3, the researchers show that scaling up languages model greatly improves the task, sometimes even reaching competitiveness with prior of state-of-art fine-tuning approaches. How does GPT-3 work? By ingesting terabytes of data to understand the underlying patterns in it, like how humans communicate with intelligence. You can just look over the stats over it, like how it crawl data from sites, like 140 billion from common crawl or web text, books, Wikipedia. What is GPT-3 capable of? Ever since its release last month, and OpenAI's GPT-3 has been in the news for a variety of reasons. From being the largest language model ever trying to outrank state-of-art models on tasks such as translation and question and answer, GPT-3 has set a new benchmark for natural language processing. Now in the latest news, Sharif, the founder of Dbuild, a startup that enables developers to build apps with minimum effort, has leveraged GPT-3 to generate code. Just look at here. With GPT-3, we can build a layout generator where you just describe a layout you want and generates the JSX code for you. You just describe here, it will give what are you expecting. All Sharif had to do was enter the text that captures the essence of product and generates the code for you. Just look at this. He just describes whatever he wants. It will just give you what he needs. Look, it's amazing guys and insane for HTML CSS developers. He also built to-do list app simply by describing to GPT-3. It says an input that says enter to do and he just describes, just wait for it. Look at the amazing things OpenAI has done. Look, enter to do and save to do. It just list out guys, as simple as that. You can tell machine to write SQL queries for you by just entering simple normal English language into it. You just enter the language, it will give you the SQL queries. Or the other application would be like chat. What's the difference between the chat we used to see and what is different from GPT-3? Here, GPT-3 enhance, it's like making most like how human chat with other human with intelligence. That is the improvement from GPT-3 from older chatbot versions. One more thing, is it end of cargo coding? Cargo coding is a style of programming where the developers look to copy paste the code snippets from somewhere else with hope that it will work. The person at this task generally doesn't know much about the depth of the language and relies forms like Stack Overflow, GitHub, etc. Let's talk about drawbacks. It's lack of semantic understanding. Guys, it literally way more back than human intelligence. Far from AGI, artificial general intelligence. I don't want to really talk about drawbacks. I hate negativity because, guys, this is a lot. It's not easy to deal with 175 billion parameters. Let me conclude. Remember, the GPT-3 model, despite its size, it's still mile away from human brain intelligence. It's just a new abstract layer of programming. Of course, developers who are bound to do simple no-brainer logic like HTML, CSS might become absolute as GPT-3 goes commercial in coming years. But in no way it would kill the programming or data science jobs or Python for it, which I'm working on it and I really think it has a long run in software industry. Okay guys, please do like, comment, share. I want this video to really get viral as I want every developer out there to know what is coming next and what you have to do. Thank you.